Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my daughter here, and I don't know if you remember the set I did on her with the Saviland Pro Kit. This is almost a month later. Look at that grow out. She had so much grow out. The only thing is the white did come off of most of the tips, and I did apply that top coat, so I don't know what happened, but we're going to try out the SSProTip tip remover spray. She didn't have any lifting at all. Her right hand we did the solid gel, and the right hand we did the left hand we did oh my gosh, I'm mixed up. The left hand we did the one, in the bottle. So you're gonna see me spray that. It says 5 seconds. This actually took like 20 minutes to remove them. But I mean, it was fine. That's when I started the video. I started at like 12:24, and it was like 12:42, I think, when I got finished like removing all of them. And I did some of the filing in between, so probably about, I don't know, maybe like 16 minutes or something to take off. But yeah, these lasted. We did these on August 24th, and the day that we took these off was yesterday, Sunday the 22nd. So just 2 days short of a month. She wanted them off like a week ago just because the grow out. She's like, Mom, they look weird, so grown out. But I said, well, let's just try to leave it because it said they're 30-day wear. So yes, definitely, they lasted, and like I said, no lifting. And the spray, the spray was pretty good. I don't know, maybe if I put like too thick of the extend gel, I don't know, but still it was, we didn't have to like soak or anything, which was good. She doesn't like to do like where you have to wrap them in the foil and all that. So this was fine. She is my very sensitive little child, and oh my god, every time you touch her, she just thinks you're hurting her so bad. So you'll see her kind of move her hand sometimes. I'm like, yeah, I know you feel pressure and stuff, but she's always been like that. So it's so funny. I always joke with her, but look at her nails. She always has, she has gorgeous nails. So all I'm doing is I'm taking the little wood stick, we're putting it under the nail, trying to pry it off, and then you'll see me, I do go in with more spray and just keep spraying and spraying. I just want to say, this hand with the solid gel, this is the hand that took the longest. Her left hand had just the extend gel in the bottle, and these came off a lot easier, so a lot quicker. So most of the time we spent was on the solid gel. That solid gel is amazing. I use it to put on my full cover tips. I've used them the last couple sets I've done, and I've used the one in the bottle I actually used on my anniversary set. And those lasted, oh my gosh, when did I take them off? I took them off yesterday also. I had them on the Thursday before, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I had them on for 10 days, and I had a peel off on, and they lasted that long. Like, that stuff is, I recommend either the solid gel or if you like the one in the bottle. They both work really good, but I've used both, and I do enjoy those glues. So yes, thank you Saviland again for sending this kit. She, like I said, look at the nails. The only thing was the white tip, coming off. I've never used any tips that have white fringes, so I don't know if other brands, if the color comes off. I have no idea, because I haven't used any tips with French on them, so I don't know. But she still liked them. She liked the length, the shape. But yeah, her nails grow pretty fast. So yes, they were on for so long. I was like, oh my gosh, she kept saying, Mom, last week I want to take. I'm like, wait. And we have to do it on the weekend because it's too hard on the weekday to try to sit down and take them off. There's just too much going on. She gets out of school kind of late. So I was like, no, Sunday we're going to do it. We're going to take them off. So yes, I got all the nails off. And so I'm going to go in with my little mini sanding band here, and she didn't have much glue or anything on there either. I just wanted to kind of, if there was any little residue, just get that off. I'm going in very lightly. I do have this sped up, so it kind of looked like I'm being rough, but I'm not. But I am gonna put the plant extract builder gel that came in the kit. I was like, we have to keep your nails you know, strong and put strength. You can also use it as a strengthener, so I really like that too. We'll see how that does. I didn't do a thick layer of that. I didn't like build up the nail or anything because she wants me to do acrylics on her, and I said probably, you know, on the week, this next weekend. She saw a color from Zulay that I have, and she's like, Mom, she's been wanting to do it, and she saw it again today, and she's like, Mom, I still want to do that. So I'm like, okay, like, let's give your nails a break, you know. And so finally got this hand off. You can see there's still some glue. That solid gel, I'm telling you, that stuff, if you want your nails to last, this stuff is, it's amazing. So I definitely recommend. I think they do sell the glues by themselves. I don't think you have to buy the whole kit. So if you just wanted to try the glues, I believe they do sell them separately. All right, so I did dust them off, and I'm just giving them a wipe with some alcohol to make sure we remove all the dust and debris. And then I'm gonna go in and buff. Yeah, she still had a little bit of glue there on the side of that thumb, so I just went in with the, this is the Saviland file that came in the kit. I love this file. I've been using it when I do my sets, you know, to file either the nail tip or even my natural nails. I really like it, so I just filed the tips there. Now we're going in with the primer. This came in the kit. I'm putting this down on her nails, and then we are going to wait for that to air dry. And then I didn't show it, the brand, but this is a base coat that I'm putting on before I put on the builder gel. It's not from Saviland, just another base coat that I had. But I was reading on the Amazon reviews for this builder gel. They sell this individually as well. And it said to, a couple of them said to make sure you apply base coat or it'll, you know, chip off. So I went ahead and put base coat. This stuff is very thick. Look how thick that is. This is the plant extract builder gel. So like I said, I'm just basically painting on, you know, a good amount, not too thick. Like I said, I didn't go in and like build up an apex or anything. I just basically wanted it to stay on her nail so she doesn't chip on, you know, or anything to strengthen. It says it is used as a nail strengthener. So yeah, I really liked it. I did go in and kind of move some down on some of the nails, but basically, like I said, it's just basically to protect her nails. And then I did go in and cure for 60 seconds, but then I had her going for an extra 30 seconds just to make sure that it was completely cured. And then I did have her hold her hand upside down. And then I don't know, I did wipe, I don't know why I wiped it, because I did go in and put a top coat. I should have just left the sticky layer, but I mean, it's fine. So yeah, I did use this is the top coat that came in the kit. So I'm just putting the top coat on the nails. I'll cure for 60 seconds and then that was it. But like I said, it did take about 15 minutes or so to get the tips off, because that gel is it's very good. So, but it was fine. I mean, we just sat there and talked and, you know, and stuff. So yeah, it was good experience with this kit. But yes, these are her nails here. I just love her nails. I wish my nails would grow that fast and that long. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Check out the kit. I'm going to leave everything linked down below. Take care. Bye.